presentation is low cost dual channel infusion control system with embedded monitoring. So the flow of my presentation is following. I will give you a little brief introduction, then the idea, project implementation, market benefit, and the future modification. Please next. So let's start with the introduction. As we all know that the increasing population of Pakistan poses numerous challenges for the health sector, such as the extended patient monitoring and medication, reduced doctor to patient ratio, and the lack of health resources in hospitals. In patient monitoring and medication, some of the tasks are repetitive in nature, such as measuring and recording, and the infusion medication. In medication, some of the equipment are important, such as infusion control system. Infusion control system is used to deliver a fluid and nutrition to a patient at a precise rate. Those are the mostly used in the ICU, for the ICU, and the pain management system for the post-surgical patients. So please next. Our aim is to design a low-cost dual infusion system with monitoring that will provide a user-friendly and friendly interface and continuously monitoring of a patient. On the basis of patient monitoring system will decide and infuse a precise rate of infusion to a patient. In case of severe condition, it will generate an alarm for the medical staff. Next, the implementation of this project is as shown that we will design a microcontroller that will sense the patient's parameter using sensors and convert the electrical signal into the mechanical using the motor and infuse a precise rate of infusion to a patient. These parameters will show on the display, and in case of severe condition, it will generate the alarms. So next, the marketing analysis shows that all infusion system or medical equipment in Pakistan are imported from the Poland and the United States. That will cost around 1.5 lakh to 3 lakhs, which is quite huge. So the aim of our project is to reduce these costs and come to the 50,000 to 60,000 rupees. So our aim is to reduce the cost and improve the health sector using the smart health infusion system. So the main benefit will be gone to the health sectors. And the future modification of our project is to implement the design infusion system and extend the existing project of which we designed. If you allow me to show you a 2-minute video on it, and that will collaborate. Next, we will collaborate with the health units and the hospitals. Thank you.